Thanks for taking the time to watch. Now sit back and enjoy. Welcome to this charming home located in the heart of Gloucester Courthouse at Main Street Landing, near schools, shopping and restaurants. As you step inside, you are greeted by a spacious and inviting floor plan, showcasing 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The modern kitchen boasts sleek granite countertops, porcelain tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, roomy pantry, and ample cabinet storage, creating the perfect space for preparing meals and hosting gatherings. The primary bedroom with walk-in closet and tile-seated shower create a quiet oasis separate from the secondary bedrooms. Enjoy your morning coffee on your covered porch or relax in the evenings while overlooking the quiet and beautifully landscaped yard. With a 6-foot privacy fence, you can enjoy lounging in your above-ground pool, making it an ideal spot for summertime entertainment and relaxation.